This is freshly washed, conditioned, oiled hair, but my hair has air dried, so now I gotta wet it again because it needs to be soaking wet. This is Uncle Funky's Curly Magic. Rubbing it through my hair to help stimulate my curls. It's a very kind of like slimy consistency. You see how it just comes apart like that, but it's very soft and it's very hydrating. So I'm just gonna comb the product through, you know, so it can get through. Now I'm using Big Papa, the Dukes. I love this gel. It gives a firm hold, not as firm
as widened at the boxes that were
as
on
I
my
would
desk.
like.
I slipped
I
my
have
coat off
4C
my
hair,
shoulder.
so I need a hard hold, and I swim every day. So, and I add the most depth. They're the Duke's current, the Duke's foam mousse, and pair that with Big Papa, and then your hair will last for days. So if it ain't white, it ain't right. So that's how I feel when I'm dealing with Big Papa, and it has to be wet. So my hair is tapered, so I'm just sectioning off with the different lengths of my hair, so it'll be easy for me to style.
She's seen me naked
Making
before.
sure I comb the product through real good.
A girl took pictures of me
that's
naked.
pretty much what I'm doing there. Like I say, just keep combing it through to make sure every strand is captured. Then I'm using my clips to separate my hair so it won't fall back over as I'm styling it. Then I get my Magic 3-row comb, and here I go with the sponge. Like, I love this sponge. It's easy to use regardless of what length. They have 2 sizes, and I'm just using it to do the sides that are not as long. And I'm doing it in the back too. It's easier and a lot faster than finger coiling it or shingling it. So you just put the product through, circle, and then just keep circling until your wrists start hurting. Pretty much.
With him. You're not leaving.
That's all
in
I'm
December?
doing. Just now I'm combing it through. Get the 3-row comb, combing the product through to make sure it's in there, and then I'm like giving it a little flip to create the curl. Make sure you elongate the hair, and I'm curling it, and you see how those curls just popped. It's real nice. So like I said, I'm again just curling it through. I'm just going through a couple of times to make sure the product, to comb it out my hair to elongate it so the curls will be easier to pop. So I just keep pulling it back, and once it pops, like I say, I'm just showing you all angles because I want you to be able to get this. The more you practice, the better you will become in doing this. And I go backwards because I want my hair to stand up. So it's just like if you was curling it with the curlers. You know, if you want your hair to stand up, you know, you would go against the curl. Like to make a bouffant. So I'm doing the same thing again, and I'm doing it in sections. So you see how that the curl already have a bend in it. So right now, I'm going to take it, and now I'm trying to get real close to the root. So now I'm gonna use my finger and do like a curling motion. So y'all see how the hair is standing up already. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Comb it. As you see, it's tangled. It's already trying to form a curl. So I'm pulling it and elongating it. Just keep combing the product through it. Then I'm gonna twirl it around my finger. Like if I had a sponge roller, you know, how you roll in your hair at night. And I'm using my fingers, and it's just gonna have a big curl. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the front. And I'm going backwards because I'm curling the hair to the back because I want my hair to stand up. So I'm just doing the same thing, rolling it with my fingers like if I was rolling it with a roller. And y'all see that curl right there? You see how my hair is standing up already on its own? Just not even, you know how when your hair is normally wet, it just fall. But me creating that big curl is allowing it to have the position stand up like how I want. This makes it easier to me. This is me. I'm not a hairstylist. This is all my thought process. So see how that just stand up? Boop, boop, boop. And then I got to do my sides because I like how they stand out. I like my hair like this because it's easier when I work out, when I swim. I don't have to worry about it too much. So this one, I'm going inward. So now my hair is the way I want it. So now I'm about to shake, shake, shake. Hey, shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake my hair. Hey, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake those curls. Shake those curls. So now I'm blow drying it. And I'm leaning my head forward, as you see. Because I want the hair to fall forward. So I'm leaning downward. Just give it a little shake. Then I go back to the same thing again. Now the hair is somewhat dry. Now I'm able to lean back. As y'all see, my hair is standing up a little bit. And I didn't want to waste y'all time. So now my hair is pretty much all the way almost dry. But as you see, I still need to dry it again. I know y'all don't want to see me sit here dry my hair, but to get this to stand up the way you want it, you know, you got to go through and get the roots and just keep lifting it so it'll fall in place. Right now it's probably about like 85% dry, maybe like about 88. And I just keep going back and forth, stretching it so it'll have a desired length and height and volume that I want. Not far as volume, this is the height that I'm trying to get. I haven't even focused on volume yet, but right now I'm doing volume. So right now, I took the diffuser off because I want to get a more concentrated heat. So now I'm going directly to the roots because this is right here is going to give me the volume that I want. Now now I'm picking it. Now it's about to give me that lift. Make sure you only get the roots. So spraying with some holding spray. Then I'm going back again. I'm going to use the diffuser because I don't want to get concentrated heat. So I'm leaning back. Don't forget it's still hair. Even though it's natural, it's still just hair. So holding spray will help it. I really like using the hooded dryer, but I wanted to show people who didn't have a hooded dryer how you still can achieve this look, even though it takes a little longer achieving this look if you don't have a hooded dryer. And that's how the back look afterward. So now I'm just about to go through and pick out the back so it can close up some of them spaces that you see. And that came from the using the sponge. So now I'm just gonna give it some oil sheen. With the Dukes, you pretty much don't have to because it's moisturized. But so I'm just picking it out just a little bit longer to give it just a little bit more volume. Cause I like my hair big, but as you wear the hair every day, it's gonna get larger and larger. So you don't have to worry about that. But like I said, I was just showing people who do not have a hooded dryer how you would pull the hair. If you had a hooded dryer, you would dry it for about maybe 25% and then get under the hooded dryer and let it dry again. Now I'm getting ready to do my edges. Not that big baby hair stuff, but just a little bit of the edges. So now I'm gonna pick it one more time because, like I say, I love volume. So this is the finished look almost. I'm just doing the last bit, touch up. This how I look cleaned up a little bit. So I'm still, you always lean back, lean back, lean back. Then you lean forward. Depends upon how you want your hair to blow. That's how you lean. I want it to go up. I want it to go higher. Then I lean forward. If I wanted to give it a little more volume, I lean back. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave me in the comments. I have all the products that were used. You can go to my Amazon store and get the products. They work like magic. This is the back of my hair. Those spaces will clear up as the days progress. And I'm gonna go through, probably take some apart just a little bit just to clear up that space. But this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Come back and see me again for more natural hairstyle tutorials, makeup tutorials, and weight loss tips. Peace.
And I'm gonna tell y'all something else too. Y'all be sitting up here talking about some, take me through there, take me through there. No, don't take me through nothing else. I've been through enough.